What?
Joel, we have a little problem.
The astrophage! It's affecting the student government and the student council!
The problem is the source is light years away in another galaxy. We need someone to fly out there and destroy it, and you're the only guy fit for the job.
But I don't have experience with this kind of stuff.
You're in a science classroom.
Fair point. Joel, we're counting on you!
Alright, I'll think about it.
Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. Welcome to the final show. I hope you're wearing your best clothes. You can't bribe the door on your way to the sky. You look pretty good down here,
Everything good?
Oh yeah,
but you ain't really good.
Face?
Do
it.
Yes! You're going to space, Joel!
Ground control to Joel Pollard. Are you ready for liftoff?
I'm ready.